school transport regulations that is going to determine how students and school transport is going to be managed. We would want an accountability from our schools in terms of how they manage the drivers and how they manage the vehicles and how they maintain. When there was an accident last time at Londiani, I announced that we are going to apply technology by making sure that all our vehicles, particularly starting with school vehicles, school buses, we are going to fit them with vehicular telematics. I constituted a team, and the team is in the final stage of finalizing the standards, including Kenya Bureau of Standards, to announce the right telematics that are going to be installed in our vehicles. We know that trucks used to cause accidents a lot in Kenya, but the truck companies that became responsible, transporters who became responsible and installed vehicular telematics, complete with dash cameras, are able to monitor their drivers from, if it is Mombasa, all the way to Malaba, all the way to Kampala. They are able to see the driver on a screen, on a computer. And they are able also to see if the driver is about to doze. They are able to call and tell him, park the car there, we don't want you to continue driving. I will be giving directions together with the CS Education on how all the schools will be required mandatorily to install vehicular telematics in the school buses. We are working with Safaricom, and I want to thank Safaricom here. They're helping us in that area. We will hope that the technology we are going to produce will be cheaper, so that then it's affordable for our schools. And therefore, Madam Principal, you will have somebody, Chief Principal, when the bus is out of the school and is taking your students, you will have another person in the control room checking how the driver is driving, how he's overtaking, what's happening inside the bus, whether there's a mischief.